Hi everybody, this is the IB Probability and Set Theory package. This is the Conditional Probability section, and we're looking at example 10. And the question says 400 families were surveyed. It was found that 90% had a TV set and 60% had a computer. Every family had at least one of these items. Okay, that's an important statement here because it tells us that there's nobody outside. If you think about the Venn diagram, there's nobody outside those two sets there. If one of these families is randomly selected, find the probability that it has a TV set, given that it has a computer. Okay, let's build ourselves a little Venn diagram because it makes this easy to look at here. So what is this? We got a TV, computer. We had 400 families, so there's our universe right there, 400. Now, 90% had a TV. Now, 90% of 400, let's just take a look over here. 90%, that is going to be 360, had a TV. 60% had a computer. Now, 60% of 400 is going to be 240, had a computer here. So now, let's just take a quick look at that here. If you take 360, now if we assume if we assume that there's no overlap between the two, then the sum of these two should cover the entire set, and that is not true at all. If you add those two, you get 600. Okay? Well, that means we've got a whole bunch of people here that got counted twice. In fact, we've got, compare that to the 400, we've got 200 here. 200 people got counted twice. Now, that means in the set that have just TV, or sorry, that have the TV here, 200 have a computer, which leaves 160 that had just a TV. And if you look at the computer, okay, there's 200 here, okay, and there should be 240, which means there are 40 that have just the computer. So now, if one of these families is randomly selected, find the probability that it has a TV set, given that it has a computer. Okay, given that it has a computer means that we're focusing on just this set right here. We've reduced the sample space to just this 240. And in that, the subset that has the computer, sorry, has the TV, is this part right here, the 200. So this is going to be 200 over 240. And I'm going to just let the calculator fix this real quick here, and that means the probability that somebody has a TV given that they have a computer, whoa, you can't see that, is 5/6.